ಟಿವಿ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈಕ್ ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಟೀಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಕ್ತಿ, ತ್ಯಾಗ ಮತ್ತು ಸಾಧನೆಗಳು ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ನಗು ವಿಶ್ವದ ಬೆಳಕು. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ ಭವಿಷ್ಯ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೂ ಗೌರವ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನವು ಸದಾ ಸಂತೋಷ ಮತ್ತು ಯಶಸ್ಸಿನಿಂದ ತುಂಬಿರಲಿ ಎಂದು ಹಾರೈಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ವಿಶೇಷ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ನಮ್ಮ ಜೀವನದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೇರಣೆ ನೀಡುವ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಯನ್ನು ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುತ್ತೇವೆ. ಮಹಿಳೆಯರ ಸಾಧನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸೋಣ ಮತ್ತು ಸಮಾನತೆ ಹಾಗೂ ಗೌರವದಿಂದ ಕೂಡಿದ ಸಮಾಜವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮಿಸಲು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನಿಸೋಣ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೋನಾ ಬಯರ್ಸ್.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವಿಜೇತ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲಿ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಪ್ಯಾಷನೇಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸರ್ ಕೂಡ. ಕೆಲವು ವರ್ಷಗಳಿಂದ ಭರತನಾಟ್ಯಂ ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಕೂಡ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಈ ವಿಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇಗೆ ನಾನ್ ನನ್ನ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮೊದಲನೇದಾಗಿ ಆಸ್ ಅ ವುಮೆನ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲಿ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರುವಂತಹ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ನಾವು ತೊಡಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಏನ್ ಫಿನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ಸ್ ನಡೀತಾ ಇದೆ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ನನ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಎರಡನೇದಾಗಿ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕೇರ್, ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಲವ್, ಪರ್ಸನಲ್ ವೆಲ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ತುಂಬಾ ಮುಖ್ಯ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ, ನಾವು ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿನ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸುತ್ತಮುತ್ತ ಇರೋರ್ನ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಂತೋಷವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ. ಮೂರನೇದಾಗಿ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಎಮೋಷನಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಯಿಂದ ಆಗ್ಲಿ, ಸೊಸೈಟಿಯಿಂದ ಆಗ್ಲಿ ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಜಡ್ಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಲಾಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸಸ್ ಬಂದೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಮೋಷನಲಿ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಯಾವ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದನ್ನ ಇಗ್ನೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳಕ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ನಾನ್ ನಂಬ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇದ್ ಮೂರು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲೈಫ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ, ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಆಗಿ, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನ್ ನಂಬ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಶಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಅ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯ ಹಾರ್ದಿಕ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi, happy Women's Day.
Hi.
So,
Happy Women's Day.
Yes. I want to ask you a small question. Being a woman, how do you feel about it and what do you feel like telling the other women out there?
So being a woman is, it's definitely a privilege and it's definitely an amazing feeling. To all the women I would say that don't run after 500 things. You're a woman, embrace your femininity and you can definitely win the world. You can work, you can manage your family even if you don't, and don't try to be 100%. Please don't. You don't have to be 100% for everyone. Just be there 100% for yourself. How much ever you can want to work, how much ever you want to earn. Whatever kind of a family that you want to lead that kind of life and that's it. Go peacefully from the world. So you don't have to just be people pleaser for everyone. No, you don't need to.
Yeah, that's a very good message actually, which every woman needs to understand it.
Understanding. You don't need to be 100% a perfect wife, perfect daughter, perfect mother. No, nobody is perfect.
Yes.
So don't be the perfect. Just be a good human. That's it. And I would like to add something. So being a woman, it's really physically, emotionally, it's very taxing. So take care of your health. Take care of your physical health, your mental health. Eat your proteins and please exercise on time and do your exercise every day because that cannot stop you from doing anything else. Yeah.
That was a very good message.
Yes.
And since we are women, we are somehow connected to gold. So I wanted to ask, as per you, do you think gold is the right investment?
Gold is a right or wrong, that depends on the market rate, right? So if the just diversify your investments, don't be like gold is the right investment and
because
everything.
Every woman is somehow connected with gold.
Right? So your fathers are earning everything so that they can give you a big chunk of gold on your marriage. Then again you keep on doing saving gold so that you have a gold box. No. So whatever money you have, don't take it as a woman, take it as a human, take it as someone in 2025 would do. So it's 2025, diversify your investments, go to mutual funds, do your stocks, do your FDs, do your gold, and please get yourself a financial educator if you don't have one.
Yes. Thank you so much. Hi. How are you?
I'm doing fine.
Happy
Thank
Women's
you.
Day.
Same to you.
So how do you feel as a woman and what would you tell to other women from your perspective?
Okay, so I would say being a woman is not easy. Definitely not. Physically, it's challenging. Mentally, it's challenging. We go through so many stages in our lives, and at some point, we feel that we are not worthy enough. We are not lovable. But then, at a certain point in our life, a stage comes where we come to that conclusion that no, whatever the society is telling us, whatever others are telling us, it's not the truth. And we definitely are much more than we ourselves perceive of. And I think the message that should go this Women's Day to everyone is that be what you are. It doesn't matter if you are a housewife, because this at this age people tell that you should be a housewife, then you be that, or you should be a working woman, you be that. Also at the same time they expect us to be both, which is not at all possible. So I think it is okay for us to be who we want to be at our own will. If we want to be a housewife, be it. If we are willing to be that working woman, living our lives, going far and beyond to achieve our dreams and goals, we should do that. I think everybody should go beyond what they are actually running for.
Very good. Thank you so much.
Hello, this is Chandana. I am an artist and I do custom art on shoes, fabrics, walls and pretty much anything that can be painted on. Art is something that I've always been passionate about and I'm fortunate enough to do it as a business. This Women's Day, I want to thank all the women out there who play such amazing roles in everyday lives, from being loving mothers at home to leading entrepreneurs in the business world. There is nothing that a woman cannot do, and womanhood, according to me, is an epitome of great strength. We often see that women put the needs of others first and ignore their own dreams and aspirations along the way. Well, let me remind you that it is never too late to go after what you want, and that way you get to define freedom in your own way and inspire other young women out there. So yeah, let's honor our beautiful selves and continue to inspire and motivate each other. Happy Women's Day to all of you.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ವಿಶ್ ಯು ದ ಸೇಮ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಬ್ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದು ಜಾಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು? ಹೂ ಇಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪಿರೇಷನ್? ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಸೊ ಆಚೆ ಇರೋ ವುಮೆನ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇನಾದರೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ರೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರು ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಂಗೆ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಥರ ಡ್ರೆಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಇಷ್ಟನೋ ಆ ಥರ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಪೆಂಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇತ್ತೀಚೆಗೆ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಥರ ರೇಪ್ ತುಂಬ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಮೇಲೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವಿವಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸು ತುಂಬ ಪ್ಯಾಂಪರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹುಡುಗರು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಭಯ ಬೀಳೋದು ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳನ್ನ ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ಮೀರಿಸಿ ಬೆಳೆಯೋ ಥರ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಗರ್ಲ್ಸು ಕೂಡ ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅವರು ಗಂಡನ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗೋವರೆಗೂ ಹೋಗಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಗಿರ್ತಾರೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೋಗೋವರೆಗೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಲೈಫ್ ನಾವು ಇಷ್ಟ ಬಂದಾಗೆ ಲೀಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟಾಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮದುವೆ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇವಾಗ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂದಿರೆಲ್ಲ ತುಂಬ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಡುಗೆ ಮನೇಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸೀಮಿತವಾಗಿರಬೇಕು, ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ರಂಗೋಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು, ಇದನ್ನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ರೇಪು ಅದು ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಅದೇ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮಂದಿರು ಇವಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೀ ಅಡುಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಲಿಯೋದಲ್ಲ, ಹೊರಗಡೆ ನೀನು ಈಗ ಬದುಕಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಧೈರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಲೈಫ್ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸರ್ವೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಈ ಥರ ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದನೂ ಶೋಷಣೆಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಒಳಗಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಕಮ್ಮಿನೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಸೊ ನೀವು ಹೇಳೋದು ಇಷ್ಟಪಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಳ ಥರ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು,
ಹೌದು, ತುಂಬ ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ
ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು.
ಹೌದು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಟ್ ಆನ್ ವಿಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವಿಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಈಗ ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಯೂಶುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಕಾಮನ್ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ? ಚೈನಾ, ನೆಕ್ಲೆಸಾ, ರಿಂಗಾ?
ರಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಚೈನ್.
ರಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಚೈನ್. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಲೇಡಿ ನೀವು.
ಎಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hi, my name is Priyanka. I'm a software engineer and a social media influencer and also a biker. So, this Women's Day, I want to tell you that you need not be a biker or whatever you see on Instagram. You be what you want to be. So that is my message for all of you. And I'm going to wish you all a very happy Women's Day. Do what you love and do not blindly follow something and try to show something that you're not. Be yourself, and men, please be good men. Thank you.
ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಅಕ್ಕ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಲಲಿತಾ ಅಂತ.
ಲಲಿತಾ ಅಂತ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ? ಚಿಟ್ ಫಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಅಕ್ಕ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಮಹಿಳೆ ಆಗಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಈ ಮಹಿಳಾ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಮ್ಗೊಂದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಕಂಪನಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎರಡು ಹೇಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಅಂದರೆ ಇವಾಗ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿದಾರಲ್ಲ, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಆದರೂ ನಾವು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮನೇಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ಆಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅದು ಮಹಿಳೆ ಅಂದಮೇಲೆ 5 o'clock ಎದ್ದೇಳಬೇಕು, ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ಅಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಅದು ಇದ್ದಿದೆ ರೊಟೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ಗೂ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಮಹಿಳೆ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಕೆಲಸನೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ.
ಗುಡ್ ಅಕ್ಕ, ನಿಮ್ಮಂಥವರು ನಮಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟೋ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಫೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿ ನಿಂತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಅಕ್ಕ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ನಿಮಗೂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ನೋಡ್ತಿರೋ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ನೀವು ಎಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಗಂಡಸರಿಗಾಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಬ್ಬರು ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ನೀವೇನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು. ಗಂಡಸರು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಗಂಡಸರಿಗಿಂತ ಏನು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಹೌದು.
ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಗಂಡಸರು ಕಿಂತನೂ ಹೆಂಗಸರು ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಹಠ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಹಠ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಗೋಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ನಾವು ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಮಾಡೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೈಲಿ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನೂ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಇವಾಗ ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೊಂದು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿಸೋದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ ಮನೆ ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಈಗ ಆಫೀಸು ಮನೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ಒಂದು ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಮನುಷ್ಯನಿಗೆ ಹಠ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಇದ್ರೇ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲಾರ್ದೇ ಅವರು ಹಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಇವ್ರು ಹಿಂಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಹಂಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು. ನಾವು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡದೆ ಏನೂ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ಅವ್ರು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಬೇಕು ಹೊರತು ಮೇಲೆ ಬರೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಅವ್ರ ಥರ ನಾವು ಆಗಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ದುಡಿಬೇಕು, ಮನೇನೂ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡನ್ನು ಮೇಂಟೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಆ ಥರ.
ಅಕ್ಕ, ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಿನ್ನ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟನಾ?
ಇಷ್ಟ, ಫೇವ್ರೇಟ್.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಚಿನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಹೂಡಿಕೆನಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
ಹೂಡಿಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರಕಾರ. ಅದು ಚಿನ್ನ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಏನೂ, ಇವಾಗ ಒಂದೇಳೆ ಕಷ್ಟ ಬಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ಒಂಥರ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅದು.
ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಅದು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಜೀವನ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಯಿತಾ, ಬೇಕಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕಲ್ಲಿ ಇಡ್ಬೋದು, ಅದನ್ನು ತಗೊಬಂದು ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ಗೆ ಫೀಸ್ಗೆ ಅನ್ಬೋದು, ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದಕ್ಕೆ
ಉಪಯೋಗ
ಯಾರ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಕೇಳೋಷ್ಟು ಇರಲ್ಲ. ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಚಿನ್ನ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಅದು ಮನೇಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಕ್ಕ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ ನಿಮಗೂ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ನಿಮಗೂ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Hello, my name is Seema Amel. I am an architect by profession and also an urban designer in my specialization. But as in a career, I am into academics. I am working as an associate professor. But at the same time, like I do have a lot of other roles and responsibilities in my life, which I would consider as like on this Women's Day. What I would like to say is, what you are, in terms of the different roles you are playing in life, whether it could be your career or it could be, being a wife, being someone's, mother. All these are just the different roles which we are playing in our life. Apart from that, what I am as an individual is what I would like to be recognized or, be identified as. So I am very keen, and interested in arts. So I am learning Bharatanatyam since past 10 years. Apart from that, I am also interested in fitness. Like I do workouts, as well as I am also a trained, professional yoga instructor. I do practice yoga on a regular basis. So these are some of the things that I have actually been doing just to pursue my passions. So I would rather say this is how I am trying to identify or probably associate my life with, or identify myself as what I am in terms of my passion, in terms of my interest. So on the Women's Day, my whole message would be rather like, don't get lost in the roles which you're playing in life. Try to identify yourself as in your, through your interests, through your choices, through your passions. That's it. Happy Women's Day to one and all.
హరి ఓం. అంతర్జాతీయ మహిళా దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా మహిళలకు ఉన్న విశిష్టత ఏమి, మహిళల యొక్క ప్రాధాన్యత సమాజంలో అయితేనేమి, మిగతా విషయాల్లో మహిళ యొక్క ప్రాధాన్యత ఆవశ్యకత ఏమి అనేది మన హిందూ సమాజం గుర్తించినట్లుగా మిగతా సమాజాల్లో లేదు. అది ఖచ్చితంగా చెప్పగలం. ఎందుకంటే మన పుట్టిన బిడ్డ క్యారమని అమ్మ అని అరుస్తుంది, నాన్న అని అరసదు, ఇంకోరు అరసదు, అమ్మ అనే ఫస్ట్ మాట వస్తుంది. ఎందుకంటే ప్రతి పుట్టిన బిడ్డకు తల్లే మొదటి గురువు. ఈ బిడ్డ ఎదిగే కొద్దీ తల్లి అన్ని చుట్టుపక్కల ఉన్న పరిసరాలు ఎవరిని పరిచయం చేయాలన్నా, ఇదిగో మీ నాన్న, ఇదిగో నీ తమ్ముడు, ఇదిగో మీ అక్క, ఇదిగో మీ మామ అని పరిచయం చేసేది గురువు మొదటి తల్లి. స్త్రీనే ఒక అమ్మగా, ఒక బిడ్డగా, ఒక కోడలుగా, ఒక అవ్వగా ఇన్ని రూపాంతరం చెంది ఈ సమాజానికి అందిస్తున్న సేవలు చెప్పుకుంటూ పోతే అది ప్రవాహంలాగా, నదిలాగా ప్రవహిస్తూ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే మహిళ అనేది ఒక అనంతమైన పదం. ఆ పదానికి నిర్వచనం చెప్పడం ఎవరి వల్ల కాదు. ఎందుకంటే సాక్షాత్ పరమేశ్వరుడే ఆ నిర్వచనం ఇవ్వలేకపోయాడు మహిళకు. ఎందుకంటే మహిళ అనేది అంత అనంతమైన పవర్. ఏది కానీ మనము ఉదాహరణకి మనకు జీవనదులు ఉన్నాయి దేశంలో. ప్రతి జీవనదికి మనము గంగమ్మ అంటాం, గంగయ్య అనం. కాబట్టి మన జీవనదులకైతేనేమి, మనము ఎప్పుడైతే తాగే నీళ్ళకి కానీ వీటన్నిటికీ అమ్మ పేరుతోనే, మహిళ పేరుతోనే మనం పేర్లు పెట్టుకున్నాము. కానీ ఇంకొకరి పేరుతో, పురుషుల పేరుతో కానీ ఇంకొకరి పేరుతో పేర్లు పెట్టుకోలేదు. ఎందుకంటే మన మహిళకు మన సమాజంలో కానీ, మన సంస్కృతిలో కానీ, భారతీయ సంస్కృతిలో కానీ మహిళకు అంత ప్రాధాన్యత ఉంది. కాబట్టి మనం ప్రతిదాన్ని అమ్మతో పోలుస్తాం. మనల్ని ఇంతమందిని భరిస్తుంది భూమాత, భూగోళం మన భూమాత అని పిలుస్తాం మనం. కాబట్టి ఒక స్త్రీకి అంత మనం విలువిస్తున్నాం. కాబట్టి ఈ విషయాలన్నీ ప్రతి మహిళ గుర్తించి వాళ్ళ ఫ్యామిలీలో బాగుపడాలంటే ఒక మహిళ ప్రాధాన్యత ఎక్కువ ఉంటుంది. ఎందుకంటే మగవాడు పోతాడు, ఉద్యోగం చేస్తాడు, లేకుంటే వ్యాపారం చేస్తాడు, ఎత్తుకొని వచ్చి డబ్బులు ఇచ్చేస్తాడు. కానీ ఫైనాన్షియల్గా మెయింటైన్ చేయాల్సింది ఎవరు? ఇంట్లో మహిళే. అందుకే మన దేశానికి కూడా ఆర్థిక వ్యవస్థ అంతా ఒక నిర్మలమ్మ గారు చూస్తున్నారు. అంత పెద్ద ఉదాహరణ ఇంకెక్కడా దొరకదు ప్రపంచంలో. కాబట్టి ఈ సమాజంలో ప్రతి ఒక్క అంశము మహిళతో ముడిపడి ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి మనం మహిళకు అంత ప్రాధాన్యత ఇచ్చి మహిళా సాధికారత చెందితే మహిళలందరూ ఈ విషయాన్ని తెలుసుకొని అవేర్నెస్ తీసుకోగలిగితే మన దేశం సుభిక్షం అవుతుంది. మన దేశం సుభిక్షమైతే ప్రపంచం శాంతిగా ఉంటుంది. ఇదే నా సందేశం. జై శ్రీరామ్.
Hi ma'am.
Hello.
Happy Women's Day.
Thank you so much.
I'm honored to be in Union Bank today, ma'am. So firstly, I would want to thank your branch for giving opportunity to many women here, as I'm seeing from many years here. Thank you so much for the opportunity for all the women from our side. I have a small question for you on this Women's Day. You being in banking sector, what investment idea would you give to a woman to invest her money properly? It can be gold or cash, it's up to them. One proper investment tip to the women out there.
Definitely. Hello, I am Saiki Jahan, working in Union Bank of India. So, for especially since we all are women over here, and I would like to give one tip to all the women customers that the safest loan I will start with, that is our gold loan. Gold loan where they will be getting a good rate of interest and they can keep their gold safe. They can get instant loan on that. And we have different other facilities as well in our loan section, like we have MSME loan for the women entrepreneurs, where we are offering the good rate of interest. Second, we are offering, many deposits, fixed deposit schemes, where they are getting the good rate of interest.
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So, being a woman, there is a attachment with gold. So, which is your favorite jewelry?
I like all type of jewelry.
Okay.
So, especially I would say ring.
Yes, yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, and happy Women's Day again.
Thank you, and same to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, ma'am. Namaste. Happy Women's Day.
ಹಾಯ್ ನಮಸ್ತೆ.
ಹೇಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವು?
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು?
ಸೌಮ್ಯ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ನಾನು ಪಾರ್ಲರ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಮೇಕಪ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವೊಂದು ತಾಯಿ ಕೂಡ, ಒಂದ್ ಮನೆಗೆ ಸೊಸೆ ಕೂಡ. ಸೊ ಮನೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಒಂದ್ ನಿಮ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನ್ ನ ಹೇಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಪ್ಯಾಷನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಮನೆ ಕೆಲಸನೂ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ತುಂಬಾ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ಇದೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಷಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದ್ ಟಿಪ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಸೆಲ್ಫ್ ಕೇರಿಗೆ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹೆಣ್ಮಕ್ಳಿಗೆ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀರಾ?
ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಕೇರ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ಗೆ. ಒಂದು ಫೇಶಿಯಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಜ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಮಸಾಜಿಂದ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗ್ಲೋನೆಸ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ, ಮನೇಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಮನೇಲಿ ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಕೆಲಸ ತುಂಬ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸೇಷನ್, ಒಂದು ಮಸಾಜಿಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಪಾರ್ಲರು ಲೇಡೀಸ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್.
ಓಕೆ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಸೋ ಮಚ್ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್. ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ ವುಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಡೇ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೇಮ್ ಟು ಯು.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.